Buckle up, guys. This is going to be a very interesting one. Our favorite rodent-themed crypto game just leveled up in a major way, and I'm here to break it down for you faster than you can say blockchain revolution. So, picture this. You're chilling, scrolling through Hamster Combat, maybe dreaming about your future yacht, when bam! They hit us with a plot twist that's going to make your head spin. They've added a shiny new crypto exchange to their lineup, and it's none other than the big dog itself, Crypto.com. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering, what's the big deal? Let me break it down for you. Hamster Combat's exchange list now looks like the Avengers of the crypto world. We're talking Binance, OKX, and now Crypto.com joining the party. It's like they assembled the Justice League of digital currencies, and we're all invited to the headquarters. But hold your horses, because I'm about to drop some knowledge that might just save your crypto bacon. While this new addition is cool and all, your boy here has got the inside scoop on which exchange you should really be cozying up to. Drum roll, please. It's Bybit, baby. Now I know what you're thinking. But what about these other big names? Well, let me tell you, Bybit is like the Swiss Army knife of crypto exchanges. It's got more features than a luxury car showroom, and it's smoother than a freshly waxed surfboard. Let's talk pre-market trading. This is where the real crypto ninjas make their moves, and Bybit's got it in spades. It's like being able to peek at tomorrow's newspaper today. You get to make your moves before the rest of the market even puts on its crypto pants. But wait, there's more. Remember that pesky verification process that's about as fun as a root canal? Well, Bybit's got you covered. You can verify your account using your BVN. And before you start freaking out about security, let me tell you, it's safer than Fort Knox. You've got a better chance of finding a unicorn in your backyard than having your info compromised on Bybit. Now, let's talk coins. Bybit's got more coins than a Vegas slot machine, including the elusive Ton coin. Why is that important, you ask? Well, if you've been paying attention, and I know you have, you smart cookie, you'll remember that we connected our Hamster Combat game to the Ton wallet. That means when it's time to cash out your hard-earned Hamster Combat tokens, you're gonna need an exchange that plays nice with Ton. And guess what? Bybit's got your back like a best friend on prom night. Here's where it gets really juicy. Bybit isn't just an exchange, it's like the Swiss bank of the crypto world. You can convert, trade, do P2P transactions. Heck, you can probably teach your hamster to trade on this thing. Don't actually try that though. It's got more options than a buffet, and it's all designed to make your crypto journey smoother than a buttered slip and slide. Now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, the ultimate Hamster Combat cash-out strategy. Listen closely, because this is gold. First, you convert your Hamster Combat tokens to Ton on the TonKeeper wallet. Then, you transfer that Ton to Bybit faster than you can say rodent revolution. Once it's on Bybit, you convert it to USDT, and boom, you're ready to use Bybit's P2P feature to turn that digital gold into cold, hard cash in your local currency. I know, you're probably thinking, but what about gas fees? Look, I get it. We all love a freebie. But sometimes you gotta spend a little to protect a lot. There are wallets out there promising zero gas fees, and that sounds great on paper. But let me tell you, in the wild west of crypto, I'd rather stick with the sheriff I know than the smooth-talking stranger promising free drinks, if you catch my drift. Now don't get me wrong, Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, they're all solid platforms. They're like the popular kids in the crypto high school. But Bybit's the cool transfer student who knows karate and can hack into the school's grading system. It's just on another level. But hey, I get it. Maybe Bybit isn't available in your neck of the woods, or perhaps you and Bybit just don't click. It happens. In that case, Binance is your next best bet. It's like the reliable family sedan of crypto exchanges. It might not have all the bells and whistles, but it'll get you where you need to go. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the hamster in the wheel. Some of you might be wondering, is all this Hamster Combat stuff legit? Well, my crypto comrades, I'm here to tell you that while Hamster Combat might sound like something you'd find in a pet store gone mad, it's as real as the blockchain itself. This isn't just some fly-by-night operation. We're talking about a project that's got more buzz than a beehive in springtime. They're not just playing games. Well, they are, but you know what I mean. They're revolutionizing how we think about gaming and crypto. It's like they took the best parts of Pokemon Go and Bitcoin and created a love child that's taking over the digital world. But here's the kicker: Hamster Combat isn't just about making your phone buzz and your wallet fat. It's about being part of a community that's shaping the future of digital finance. When you're tapping away on that Hamster Combat app, you're not just playing a game, you're participating in a financial revolution. It's like being part of the gold rush. Except instead of panning for gold, you're tapping for tokens. Now I know some of you out there might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. Maybe you're new to the crypto scene, or perhaps you're still trying to figure out how to turn on your computer. Don't sweat it. The beautiful thing about Hamster Combat and platforms like Bybit is that they're designed for everyone, from crypto newbies to blockchain veterans. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. Sure, you might wobble a bit at first, maybe scrape a knee or two, but before you know it, you'll be popping wheelies and leaving skid marks all over the crypto highway. And the best part? This entire community is here to support you. We're all in this together, riding the hamster wheel of fortune to the moon. So what's the bottom line here? Hamster Combat is evolving faster than a Pokemon on steroids. They're adding new exchanges, expanding their reach, and creating more opportunities for all of us to get in on the action. But remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. And now, armed with the inside scoop on Bybit and the ultimate cash-out strategy, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. As we wrap this up, I want you to remember one thing. The crypto world is like a roller coaster. It's got its ups and downs, twists and turns. But with Hamster Combat in one hand and Bybit in the other, you're strapped in for the ride of your life. So hold on tight, keep your eyes on the prize, and get ready to make it rain hamster tokens. Remember, folks, in the world of Hamster Combat, every tap is a step towards financial freedom. Every trade is a move in the great chess game of crypto. And every day brings new opportunities to turn your digital dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Fire up that Hamster Combat app, get your Bybit account ready, and let's show the world that when it comes to crypto, we're not just playing games, we're changing the game. There will also be a link in the description to Bybit, so if you are not registered yet, feel more than free to use my link. Now I think it's time for our huge channel members shout out. Here we go. Muhammad Albada, Moya Kaura, Enoxon001, Marnovtube, Okemdi Chimamezi, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edit, Enger Chukwunonzo Kioma, Osundeko Sesan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ekene Okuosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela B. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Now go forth and conquer, my hamster heroes. The crypto world is your oyster, and it's time to find your pearl.